All right. It is spring. What? Oh. What is going on, Pennsylvania? We just put this on. I want to go play with it. Well, I guess there's only one thing we can do. Got a little snow in the Commander today. It's made by a Canadian company. Should start up. I think they're assembled in Mexico, but hey, North America is all good with me. There we go. Dust the seats off. We're ready to pull out the snowmobile. So, one thing I've learned, if you want snow to happen in Pennsylvania, all you gotta do is put away your snowmobile, snowblower, and I did have the plow off the Commander once already, thinking I had to put away for the season. Boy, was I wrong. All right, the Tiger Tail did its job again, getting the sled out of its place where we store it, but rather than having to do this every time, I should have gotten one with reverse, but guess that's gonna wait till the next sled. Which may be a 2002, but always a reliable snowmobile. Gotta love skidoo. All right, the Commander did an impeccable job of getting the snowmobile out, as always. If you guys are wondering what this is the KFI Tiger Tail. If you have a four-wheeler, you definitely need one of those. Snow is falling so fast, I can barely keep my visor clear. It's a good thing I got the heated visor on this helmet. This helmet is absolutely amazing. If you guys are looking for a good snowmobile helmet, I will throw the link in the description. Well, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed the snowiest episode of Hammerdown Motorsports to date. I'm having a lot of fun in this stuff. It is a little bit wet. I think I'm completely soaked from head to toe. I even had to switch out to my Canadian winter wear, which means that it is a good day for this Canadian. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and keep that hammer down.